I'm Ashley, the Monogram Mompreneur. Welcome to my craft room organization day. We are cleaning out the craft room, getting ready to move things around. We're gonna do some painting. We're gonna do some rearranging. So it is cleanup day and rearranging furniture. I've kind of just spot cleaned what I could. Started grouping things together. We are gonna move the embroidery machines to this side of the room, and then we are gonna create a wall here. Kind of like this, but different, a backdrop type thing for filming. We're gonna create some better lighting, so I can have better sound as well. My hair's a little crazy. It is what it is. I'm working hard, no makeup. We are just working, sweating up here. I've kind of grouped things together in here. So once we get more storage and figure out where things are going, we will organize all of this. But I'm excited to show you guys the process. We are gonna paint this wall right here. We're not gonna paint all the way down because that would be too hard to move this unit. But I think I'm gonna paint the door like a light pink. So I'm gonna speed up some of us just rearranging the furniture. The next part will be us painting and putting together this wall right here. It looks so much bigger in here already. I mean, look at that space right there that I have with this big island. So now you'll see, we're gonna redo this and kind of make it functional. So we're gonna replace the top of this and kind of push all those together. I'm tempted to paint them a color because these are white and this is like an off-white cream color. So depending on what countertop we do with this, I might paint them a color. So we'll see. I'm gonna paint my door a pale pink to match my other stuff. So now I need to tackle that closet as much as I can and set up the Melco again. I'm gonna put the computer in the closet just adjacent. I think that would be the easiest thing. It's like a high desk. So I think it'll be really functional for that, and then set up that machine. Yes, I'm super excited. I will take you along as we're probably gonna put some shelves here to create like some decorative elements to it, and then we are gonna put like lights and all types of things here to help the lighting. So I'm excited to take you guys along as I reorganize everything and as we update and refresh the room to meet more of my needs right now. So I'm gonna get to organizing and cleaning, and I will see you next time. Bye for now. Glitter on my face.